Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a Born Pretty haul, you guys, that I have in this little package. So they are having a sale right now. It's basically, I feel like it's like their Black Friday week sale. So with my coupon code, you guys, you can use it. It is Laura20 and you can save 20% off their site. So also they have 80% off their clearance part, and yeah, it's for Black Friday, you guys. You might have seen this after Black Friday, but they are doing the deals for, I think, I'm not really sure if it's till the 30th, but I think it is. But they told me to just make sure I upload like up till November 30th, so you guys will probably see this soon. Anyway, you guys, yeah, let's get into the haul. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, you guys, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the notification button, and the like button. You guys, give me a like. It really helps out my channel to grow a little bit more, so I could be seen a little bit more. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with whatever comes out first. So I got these little heart and roses because I really love, I've seen these on some other people, some other nail techs work, and I've seen the little hearts and the roses on their nails, and I love the way it looks on a nude set, something like similar to this color. It looks so pretty. So I really wanted to get these. This is what I picked out from their website that I was like dying to get. I thought they were so cute. They're just little nail art stickers, and you literally just peel them off and apply them, kind of like the butterfly ones I showed you guys in my other Born Pretty video. A lot of this stuff, guys, is so cheap, it's not even funny. You need to check out Born Pretty. Like, that's the place to be. They really have a lot of inexpensive stuff. So then we have this nail art sticker. It looks like a Disney type of thing, but I think online it says something like princessy. So I'm trying to see if you guys can like see it properly. So let me show you closer. Looks like that. They have like the castle. They have like a little mermaid looking thing. That's Tinkerbell. Like those kind of vibes basically. Is it exactly accurate now? Because I'm pretty sure that's copyright. So they kind of have something similar to it. But these are so cute if anybody wants like Disney inspired nails. Let's see what else we got. So then I got these. These are gonna be great for the springtime, or anytime really. But look at these, you guys. Like I forgot to tell you, the reason why I got these too is these are gonna be great for Valentine's Day. So I'm trying to think ahead. So I thought about springtime. I have clients that love these type of flowers, and these are these stickers or not? Oh yeah, they are. These are stickers, so that's awesome. Makes it easy to apply on there. What else we got? So then we got these little nail sticker, looks like Old English letters, and they are in like rainbow style. So these will be fun to use on some nails. I love this. This is why I get stuff like this, because when I do freestyles, I love to try the new stuff that I get. What we got here? I think they sent me this without me asking for it. I think they just sent it to me just to send it to me as a gift. These are cute. I don't know how to apply this. I'm not sure if these are decals or stickers, but that's what they look like. They're little blue decals, I'm gonna call them. I don't think they're stickers. I don't know if I got this one or not. Maybe not. But these are just little flowers. I don't remember if I actually ordered these myself, but they're little decal flowers, and these are gonna come in handy, like I said, during the springtime. So for this, I got a Christmas theme little gold nail stickers. These are gonna be cute for Christmas. Love these. Hope you guys can see them, what they look like. So shiny. And I got some more Christmas stickers. These also have one that says Merry Christmas. What else does it say? It also says, oh no, that's it. So it just has like some, I like this. I don't know what that's gonna fit on a longer nail, but yeah, these are really cute. There's like a reindeer, there's Santa Claus, the trees. I really like the trees on this. These are very cute. These are kind of hard to see on camera, huh? But I hope you guys can see them. I don't know what this is. Oh, these are like little rainbow flames. I was like, what in the world is that? I couldn't tell. I don't think you guys will be able to tell either. You can barely see it, but they're little flame cutouts, stickers. So I got these because I have a client that really loves these. So I got these little whatchamacallit, these little leaf stickers. She loves these. I tried to draw them once, but obviously they didn't come out as good as this. This is really pretty. So I thought that this would be easier access. I was gonna say this will be easier application. So yeah, these are really cute. These will be nice for the summertime too, even in the springtime or anytime they want to get them done. Let's see. I also got these. I really like how these looked online on their website. So I thought that these would be cute to apply onto like some nice medium to long length nails. These are so cute. I can imagine what I could do with these. You can like do like some blue teal vibes and add these on there as an accent, or you could use the pink ones and with some pink set. I don't know what this is. I don't think I ordered this, to be honest, you guys, but that's what came as well. So I will see if I can use this. This will be kind of cute for like a teacher going back to school, like, you know, back to school vibes. What else we got? Okay, so then they sent me this foil. I think they sent me this because I don't think I asked for this too. So thank you so much, Born Pretty, for sending me all this stuff. I didn't ask for a lot of this and they gave me some extra stuff. This is pretty. Like I said, might be nicer for springtime. I like stuff like this, and I think about how it'll look matte. I think it'll look better mattified. A lot of these flower patterns would look better like that. What else do we got? So then we have, oh, this is like the same Disney one, except this one is like in a holographic silver color. So maybe you guys can see it. See the castle and the Little Mermaid type of vibes. Ooh, this is so cute. Okay, so then we have, I don't think I remember seeing this. So then we have some little glitter nail art right here. These are just little hearts, and these will be so perfect for Valentine's Day. How exciting to have all this stuff right now. Okay, and then I actually picked this one out though. This is I think it's a medium grit one. I don't remember what I got. What is it? I gotta take it out. This is one of their carbide bits. It doesn't have the size like it usually does. Maybe it has it on the paper. I don't see it. I don't remember, but I think this is a medium grit because it doesn't look like a fine. My fine grits or my fine carbide bits look different than this. So I want to take this for a whirl and see what it looks, or see how it works. It's really nice though. Let me try to show you guys closer. Cute. All right, and then I think that's it from the bag, but I had already used something, you guys. I couldn't wait. I got this right here. This is just like a little dapping dish. I had already used it for, what's it called? Okay, and then I just got the monomer that was in there on me, like the residue. Let me just clean it out real quick because it looks a lot better clean. Alrighty, so this is the inside of it, and then the top is like that. I had wetted already, sadly, but this actually is really good. It helps kind of like keep it like from sliding everywhere when you're using it, and it's pretty heavy too. It has a nice heaviness to it. So when you're using your brush, this is perfect because I just got my new brush and it's smaller. So this is a number 14, and then I can just easily do that. I forgot to show you guys in my last video what the brush looks like in case you guys see it anywhere else, because they don't have these online that I know of, but I'm gonna try to look for it. But this is called the Sonic, and it's a number 14 Kalinsky Germany brush. So in case you ever go somewhere and you find it, you need to cop this. This is a great brush. I don't know why I don't find them anywhere online, but maybe I'm not looking hard enough. I don't know. This is the brush that I have one in a number 20 basically, but I don't want to use it as of now because it's not pinched. You can see this one's pinched right here, so I'm gonna try to get another one and pinch it so that it works better. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I really like this. When this came, you guys, it was in a nice bubble wrap, really secured, so it didn't break when it came, so I really appreciate that. So this is all that I got from Born Pretty, you guys. All of this is super cheap, and usually I have a budget, I think, of about maybe $22, and I got all of this for 22 bucks. Seriously, a lot, you guys. Let me back this up. Sometimes I get a budget of different number, but that's how much they let me pick this time. These will save you a lot of money and will make you a lot of money if you have clients, because it saves you time and you don't have to sit there and draw all that nail art stuff, especially when you're not as good at it. Like, I'm not that great of drawing, you guys, so this is really this really helps me a lot. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Don't forget about their sale, because right now everything is super cheap. And don't forget to use my coupon code LAURA20, LAURA20. But yeah guys, I'll leave the links in the description box down below, and thank you guys so much for watching. And like I said, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. I always try to bring out these videos that help you guys a lot and save you guys some money and do some giveaways, and look out for my current giveaways that I have going on right now. And yeah, until next time, and God bless you guys. Bye bye.